Oh, special delivery just came in the door. Y'all, check this out. Check this out, would you? Ooh, sweet Italian cream. Coffee creamer. I see cheese. Hold on. What? The big one. Velveeta Slices Original. 24 yummy slices. See what else we got. Check this out. Strawberry peach flavored applesauce with fiber. No sugar added. That's what Mama uses to take her meds. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, guys. I know. It's time for a tiramisu cake. Okay, let's just not talk about it too much. It's been a while. It's been a couple weeks. Gallon of milk, and what do we have? Something in here to go with the milk, I believe. Lordy day. What is it? I got into it. Never mind that I'm diabetic. Yeah, never mind. But okay. There we go. This, that. Oh, that. We'll go over here. Yep, we already looked at that one. What's in here? Oh, wait, there's stuff in here. Tender morsels, grilled chicken flavor, and chicken and liver flavor for dogs. I thought that was some cat food. And then this one. Now, I've got some spoiled critters, I think. I would say there's some spoilage going on. Yeah, and all these bags, guys, come right in handy. They do. They go right into the bathroom to be used for those disposable underwear. Yep, that's what it is. So, got some folding to do. That's what you get. There you go. There it is, y'all. Goodness. Surely goodness and mercy will follow me all the days of my life. And I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. And I got to put this stuff away. Thanks for watching.